Hi everybody, these are our directions to our hot and cold liquids lab, and we've got a couple of things. We've got these new containers that have this little gate in the middle of them. Please make sure these stay with our containers. We do not want to lose them, and you're going to start with that little gate right in there. You're going to go ahead and get some hot and cold water. Our cold is going to be our cold colored blue, and our hot's going to be our hot color red. And these are for demonstration purposes, just the same temperature. But what we're going to do is we're going to pour one of these colors in one side and the other in the other, and it works best if you pour them at the same time rather than dump one and then dump the other, because if you dump them one at a time, it'll leak down below our gate, and if you put them in at the same time, it will not. So once you've got your hot and your cold, and you have everybody in your group's attention so they can see, you're going to go ahead and put them like this, and just, it doesn't have to be exactly at the same time, but you can see when I do that, I get this nice separation of colors. Now, I'm not going to do what you're going to do because it won't work since my water is at the same temperature and the like, but once you get it here fairly quickly, don't let this sit long, you're going to just take this out and you're going to see how those two mix once this gate has been removed. And that's really what we're going to be doing for today, and that's the observation we want to make, and that's all you need to do. However, when we clean up, we're going to have a number of things we need to rinse. We need to rinse our containers here, and we need to rinse this container, and this container is a little bit problematic just because it doesn't fit in our rinse bucket. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is come over here to a sink and just simply dump all this out as such. And you might want to leave the gate apart from this for the next part. Grab your containers and come to a sink that has got a rinse bucket, and like usual, just rinse out each of these, and once you've got them rinsed out, then just pour some water in there, slosh it around to try and get all of that out, and just dump it like this. Key, when you're done, please get the gate back in. We do not want to lose these gates, and then we'll just come put them right there. And that's all you have to do for mixing your hot and cold water. Thanks for watching.